Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we'll be upgrading the hard drive in a mid-2009 15-inch unibody MacBook Pro. We've already transferred our data, gathered the tools listed at the beginning of this video, are working on a static-free work surface, and have shut down the computer. We are now ready to begin. The first step is to close the MacBook Pro and flip it over. There are a total of 10 screws to remove on the bottom. Use your 00 Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Starting at the top, remove the 3 screws on the right, which are considerably longer than the other screws. Then, remove the leftmost screw, which is the same size as the remaining ones. Next, remove the 6 screws along the bottom. We are now ready to remove the bottom cover. Starting near the hinge edge, simply lift up on the bottom cover and set it aside. You should be able to see the hard drive located in the lower left corner of the computer. To remove the drive, you'll first need to remove the retaining bar. Loosen these 2 screws, then lift it clear. Lift the drive out by pulling up on the plastic tab and sliding the SATA connector off. Using your Torx 6 screwdriver, remove these 4 mounting screws. Once the screws are removed, gently peel off the pull tab and set the drive aside. Attach the tab you just removed from the old drive to the new one. There should be enough residual adhesive left to allow it to stick. Next, attach the 4 mounting screws to the drive. Attach the SATA connector to the drive and slide the whole unit into place, making sure it sits flat. You may then secure the drive in place by reattaching the retainer bar. Set the bottom cover into place and press down over the snaps. Next, install the 4 screws along the top edge. Don't forget that the 3 screws on the right are the longer ones. Finally, replace the 6 screws along the front and side edges. You should note that these screws go in at an angle. You may now turn your MacBook Pro back over, open it up, and turn it on.